So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone AirPods not connecting after new iOS 16 update. In this video I am going to show you how to fix that error. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Firstly, as you can see, this is my AirPods and right now I am connecting it with my iPhone 8 that running on iOS 16. Open iPhone setting, tap on Bluetooth. As you can see, it's connecting. Already turn on. Okay, you can see appears on screen, it's showing AirPods right now. Just tap on that. You can see appears on screen, it's connected. Okay, you can see appears on screen, it's showing cannot verified AirPods. Just tap on continued anyways and cross. You can see appears on screen. You can see it's showing again not connected AirPods. Just again tap on that. Okay, now you can see appears on screen, it's connected but it's showing cannot verify AirPod. These headphones could not be verified as genuine Apple AirPods. Would you like to connect anyway? You can see it's the new feature that Apple recently introduced in iOS 16 that you can easily verify your AirPods that it's Apple AirPods or not. So just tap on continued anyways again. Now you can see appears on screen, it's connected successfully with my iPhone 8 right now. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to connect your AirPods on iPhone without any error. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.